Hello, my name is Brad Mazars. I'm with Colonial Life Insurance. We are the supplemental benefit providers for the Charles Penn Zone Group. I wanted to make this video to talk to you about the additional supplemental benefits we're offering through this upcoming open enrollment period. First, I want to say that Colonial is a friendly insurance company to not only employees but employers. And the reason this is because the Colonial coverages are portable and affordable, which means that if you do retire from the company, you can take your Colonial products with you at no price increase. We also have simplified underwriting on all of our products. And simplified underwriting means that there will not be many underwriting questions when you purchase a life policy or a short-term disability policy. The products can also be individual coverage or family coverage, so you can basically take the Colonial products along with your core benefits and set yourself up a custom benefit program just for you. With the Colonial benefits, they are cash money paid straight to you. As your medical pays to the doctors and hospitals, the Colonial benefits pay straight to the employee. With healthcare costs rising each year, we're finding that we each have to pay more and more out of pocket for deductibles and coinsurance. Colonial Life dollars are paid to you to help you offset some of these costs. In the Charles Penn Zone Group, we offer 5 different basic products in the Colonial program: short-term disability, accident insurance, life insurance, cancer insurance, and critical illness insurance. I'm going to take a few minutes to give you a little explanation on each of these benefits to see if maybe they would fit into your custom benefit portfolio. With the Colonial short-term disability, which is our most popular selling product, it replaces up to 66% of your paycheck should you be disabled on an on or off job accident. With the Colonial disability, you can custom the length of time you receive the benefits and how long you are disabled for before you start receiving benefits. So when you contact the benefit counselor, he or she can give you prices based on whatever elimination period or wait period you choose and whatever benefit period you choose. So these benefits can be custom to you. Now this is just for the employee on the short-term disability. There's no family members are included. This just helps replace your paycheck. The Colonial Accident Policy, which is our second program, is probably the most affordable benefit we have because it covers so much. It happens to you in an on or off job accident. If you ever go to the emergency room because of an accident, x-rays because of an accident, broken bones, lacerations, cuts, burns, bruises, hospital care because of an accident, follow-up care at the doctor, even accidental death and dismemberment is covered in this policy. Now this policy can be a family policy, which means you can put it on yourself and or your spouse and or your children. So it is very affordable. So if you have children that play sports in school, if you or your spouse or significant other do activities on the weekend where you could get hurt, this is a great policy because this supplements whatever else coverage you have. With the Colonial program, we have both types of life insurance we offer. We offer a term policy and a cash value policy. A lot of people don't know the difference between the two, so I'll give you a short explanation. Term policy is what we call a temporary policy. It can be good for 10, 20, or 30 years. The price is locked during that time, and if you would pass away, your beneficiary would get the money tax-free. Universal life or whole life, which is our cash value policies, build cash value. Now they're a little more expensive than the term policy, but they do build cash value, which basically means that as you pay the premiums, you're accumulating a savings account to the side of the policy. So if you would decide to surrender the policy or say, I don't want this policy anymore, Colonial will send you money back, which is part of your premiums that you've paid in. With either the term or the universal whole life, you can add spouse riders to them, which means your spouse could be covered as well. Your children could be covered. In fact, with the Colonial policy, we cover all children for about $1 a week. No matter how many children you have, it's still $1 a week. And again, it's a simplified issue on the life insurance, so no major health questions. Most people recognize the need for life insurance, but the critical piece that's sometimes overlooked is that if you have a heart attack or stroke or develop cancer and you survive, you're going to have a lot of mounting bills that might not be paid by medical insurance. That's why Colonial offers our cancer program and our critical illness program. Our cancer program covers you that if you do develop cancer, it has a lump sum amount of money up to $10,000 that you can receive before the treatments and before the rest of the policy kicks in. It covers radiation, chemo, hair replacement, prosthesis, and even covers travel, which is something medical insurance doesn't do. But let's say, being that we're so close to Columbus, we have the James Hospital here, which is a great cancer hospital. But if your doctor says, I want you to go to Cleveland Clinic, it's over 50 miles away, of course, you could take a companion with you, and we'll pay for the companion's lodging, your lodging, and the miles up there and back. So it does pay over and above whatever any other benefits you might have, and over above medical insurance. One of the nifty features that come with this, I say, is because Colonial is also concerned about your wellness. And with this policy, they have what they call a wellness benefit. And this is just something where Colonial is going to give you back money each year to go take a wellness test. So if you're a female and you go for PSA or pap smear or a mammogram, Colonial's going to send you a check back for up to $100. If you're a male and you go for a PSA, colonoscopy, or triglyceride test, we'll send you back a check $100. The Colonial policy can cover the entire family. You could do individual, or you could do family, one parent or two parent family. But again, remember that the money is paid straight to you for any benefit from this policy, and it is tax-free. So if something would happen, you develop cancer, and you got a lump sum of money from Colonial of $10,000, it would be tax-free. Our last one we talk about is our Colonial critical illness policy. Now, like I said in the beginning, if you have a heart attack or stroke and survive, your life insurance is not going to help you at this point, but you're going to have mounting medical bills and maybe expenses around the house, and people being with you, you taking off work, things that happen around the house that you can't help. You're going to need an influx of cash. The Colonial critical illness policy is a lump sum payment, so that if you would develop a heart attack or stroke or organ transplant or end-stage renal failure, Colonial will send you a check for up to $75,000 tax-free to cover you and help you survive in the transition period after having the heart attack or stroke. If for some reason you had the heart attack or stroke and did not survive, Colonial would send that $75,000 tax-free to your beneficiary. So it's not a lost money. We encourage you to look at your brochure pack that you had got from Human Resources, and my name and phone number is in there. You can check off the box if you're interested in looking at any of the benefits or exploring prices. My phone number is in there as well, and my name is Brad Mazzaris, and my phone number is 614-975-6859. If you have any questions, you can give me a call. You can check off the box, return it to Human Resources, and they'll get a hold of me as well. And I thank you very much for your time.